This is the 2027 Mercedes-Benz GLA in Cosmos Black Metallic, and it looks much more serious than a compact SUV should. Dark, wide, sharp, and premium, this GLA has a presence that feels bigger than its size. Welcome back to Auto Tech Report. Today, we're looking at the 2027 Mercedes-Benz GLA, finished in Cosmos Black Metallic with a full black interior. From the aggressive front design to the modern rear lighting and clean luxury cabin, this new GLA brings a stronger, sportier personality to Mercedes' compact SUV lineup. From the front, the 2027 GLA immediately looks bold and high-tech. The glossy black paint gives the SUV a deep, mirror-like finish, reflecting the palm trees, modern villas, glass windows, and clean luxury street around it. This color makes the car look stealthy and expensive. The front fascia is sharp and confident. The large Mercedes star sits in the center of the black grille, surrounded by a sleek pattern that blends smoothly with the headlight design. The slim LED headlights look futuristic, and the thin light strip across the front make the SUV appear wider and more modern. The hood has strong sculpted lines, giving the GLA a more muscular look. The lower bumper is aggressive, with dark intake shapes and a sporty lower grille. Even though this is a compact SUV, the front design makes it look powerful and upscale. From the front side angle, the GLA looks even more athletic. The body sits confidently on black multi-spoke wheels, and the wide stance gives it a planted road presence. The side profile is clean, with tinted windows, black roof rails, and smooth body lines. The Cosmos Black Metallic finish works perfectly here. The reflections across the doors and fenders make the body look polished and premium. The curved roofline, sculpted side panels, and strong shoulder line give the SUV a sporty but elegant shape. This angle shows how Mercedes has made the GLA feel more mature. It still has compact proportions, but the design details make it look closer to a larger luxury SUV. At the rear, the 2027 GLA continues with a clean and modern design. The full-width red LED taillight is the main highlight. It stretches across the tailgate and makes the SUV look wider from behind. The rear glass is dark, the rear spoiler adds a sporty touch, and the Mercedes badge is placed neatly in the center. The tailgate design is smooth and simple, keeping the rear appearance premium and uncluttered. Lower down, the bumper has a more aggressive performance style. The diffuser-like shape and quad exhaust-style outlets give the back of the GLA a stronger and sportier character. With the black paint and bright red lighting, the rear view looks dramatic and expensive. From the rear side view, the GLA looks stylish and dynamic. The taillight signature wraps nicely into the rear corners, while the rear haunches make the SUV look wider and more muscular. The black wheels, dark trim, and glossy bodywork all match perfectly. The luxury residential background also fits the car very well. With palm trees, modern houses, clean sidewalks, and bright daylight, the GLA looks like a premium urban SUV made for a high-end lifestyle. Inside, the 2027 Mercedes-Benz GLA feels modern, clean, and premium. The cabin uses a full black interior, giving it a sporty and elegant atmosphere. The dashboard is wide and digital, with a clear driver display and a large central infotainment screen. The steering wheel has a premium Mercedes design, with clean controls and a large center emblem. Behind it, the digital cluster looks sharp and easy to read. The center screen shows a modern interface for navigation, media, vehicle settings, and comfort features. The dashboard has smooth lines, metallic accents, and subtle trim details. The black leather seats look supportive and comfortable, with perforated surfaces and neat stitching. The center console is practical, with cup holders, storage, and a wide armrest. The cabin also feels open because of the large windshield and side windows. From the driver's seat, visibility looks clear, while the overall layout feels focused, premium, and easy to use. The second row is also well designed. The rear seats are finished in black leather, matching the front cabin. The bench has 3 seating positions, 3 headrests, and visible seat belts, making it practical for passengers. The seat cushions look supportive, with clean stitching and a comfortable shape. The rear cabin feels bright because of the large side windows, while the black headliner adds a sportier mood. Rear air vents and controls also make the second row feel more premium. For a compact luxury SUV, the space looks useful for daily driving, family use, or longer trips. The second row keeps the same refined feeling as the front cabin, which is important for a Mercedes-Benz SUV. Overall, the 2027 Mercedes-Benz GLA in Cosmos Black Metallic looks like a strong upgrade. The exterior is darker, sharper, and more aggressive, while the interior feels digital, comfortable, and premium. The slim front lights, bold grille, black wheels, full-width rear taillight, and clean cabin design all make this GLA feel more expensive than before. It may still be a compact SUV, but its presence feels much bigger. For buyers who want a stylish luxury SUV with modern technology, sporty design, and everyday practicality, the 2027 Mercedes-Benz GLA could be one of the most interesting compact Mercedes models to watch.